you'd see my stomach today. What did I get today? Ordered this a while ago. It is another Craftsman. Doesn't lock though. It's the only locking, non-locking pliers that I own because it does not lock. It's an extremely old Craftsman, made in USA, no model number, none. It's been used and abused, but I thought the logo was nice. Check out that Craftsman logo. It's pretty cool. It does. Let's see. I don't even know if it locks on here. Oh yeah, it locks on here, but yeah, it just does not. It's got use and abuse. It is in no way bent this way. It's got a little bit of patina on it. It's got the ball on it, like, where's the other one? This is Craftsman. I'm not sure if you can notice similarities between a Craftsman and a Seymour and a Samson. So, was Samson making them for Craftsman, or was Craftsman making them for Samson? I mean, you look inside and it's identical. I mean, they are identical right down to the stamping everywhere. Rivets. The only thing it's not identical is the spring. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I couldn't resist. It looks like it's been, judging from the jaws, this thing has been used. Like, if you look at how they should be, wait, let me see, I get a side-by-side view here. If you look at these ones, and you look at these ones are worn the hell out. But I thought it was cool, so yeah. This one closes, and this one, oh, they're the same. They're the same height. Yeah, roughly. So everything's the same. I don't know why it wouldn't close. I don't know why there's still space in there. Maybe this bolt was somehow wrecked. I don't know. No idea. Maybe, I don't know, maybe somebody shortened the bolt. But it appears it doesn't go as far as it could. So, it doesn't lock. So other than that, yeah. Got a good old Craftsman thingamajiggy. So, stay tuned. Oh, smash the like button. Yeah. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Yeah.